Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while since I featured any of my box fans, and I thought, well, today is the day. Here is a 1972 Lakewood S-23 20-inch box fan, rebadged as a spring air, as you just saw in the opening frame. I got this last May at a fan meet from a fellow fan collecting friend by the name of Kundo Fox here on YouTube. We both met up, and he included this in a box lot of fans, I guess you could say, for $5, and this was it. So, now, you're probably wondering, gee, Crazy Fan 740, what kind of color do you think this fan is in? And look at that. You've seen avocado green. Now here's terracotta orange. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that lovely? Beautiful. And we also have the earlier molded plastic handle, as opposed to the later version that you found on almost all Lakewood box fans produced after about 1976 or so. This is the earlier plastic handle, so that's interesting. And of course, 3 metal blades. Let's take a look at the back. Decent condition, not mint, of course, but it's better than nothing, let me tell you. And there, as you will see, is yet another McMillian motor. Let's see if I can get a close-up of what the motor says. Let's see here. I don't think I see anything, but oh well. When I do, I'll put it in the description for you, but there's the back. And we'll flip it around one more time. Pretty heavy. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get a good startup sound. Here we go. Yes, that startup sound is extremely pronounced. So there's high. There's medium. Here's low. Back up to high. And off. Alright, let's see the coast down time. Not too bad for sitting down in the basement during the wintertime and not being started up for a while. Alright. The moment you've all been waiting for. Startup sound time. Here we go. This one, like I said, and as you probably guessed, is extremely pronounced in this fan, so let's hear it. Starting up on high. Beautiful. Alright. That'll do it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, rate, or subscribe, and remember to make America great again.